In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a personal access token, PAT, on GitHub. PAT is essential for secure authentication when interacting with GitHub repositories through Git or API requests. Open your web browser and go to github.com. Sign into your GitHub account. If you don't have an account, refer to our previous tutorial on creating an account on GitHub. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Developer Settings. Within Developer Settings, click on Personal Access Tokens. Click the Generate Token button. We will select Classic Token for this tutorial. Provide a descriptive name for your token. Choose the expiration period as per your needs. Choose the scopes or permissions based on your needs. For Git operations, the repo scope is typically necessary. Scroll down and click the Generate Token button at the bottom. GitHub will generate a new token. Copy this token immediately as you won't be able to see it again. Store the generated token in a secure location. Do not share it publicly. If you lose the token, you'll need to regenerate a new one. Congratulations! You've successfully generated a personal access token in GitHub. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.